Welcome to Edge Global Technology Solutions Workflow Tutorials. Today, we will be discussing Autodesk BIM 360 Field. Our next step in the field management workflow is the process of using mobile devices to complete standardized forms and information collection as we walk through the site. This is where we can perform checklists, both for quality assurance and safety purposes, as well as generate tasks for future meetings or checks. We start this process by navigating to our Fields Processes tab and selecting Checklists. We can create a new checklist by selecting the Checklists tab. This tab will open with a list of checklists that our project team has uploaded to our BIM 360 Field website. We select the checklist that we want to run and it will open automatically. We can fill out these checklists by simply answering whether or not the item required has been met with a click to the plus or minus sign. If an item has not been met, we can click the minus sign and add some comments as to why we felt it did not meet the requirement. We can continue filling out the checklist and at any time select the Issue tab off to the left to add more information about the issue. Each checklist also has a header tab that can be selected to add more information about where the checklist is taking place. Not only can we fill out checklists inspecting for quality assurance purposes, but we can also perform safety and commissioning checklists and inspections. These checklists works the same way by selecting whether the item required has been met or not, and if not, we can again use the tools to express why the item was not met. When we are finished with our checklists, all the issue items are then stored in the Issue tab. Again, we can find this by navigating to the Field Processes tab and then selecting Issues. Here we can see that all of our issues have now grown to add those of the checklist section. Also in this section, we have the option to change the status of the issue. When issues have become completed, we can simply change them to a closed status by clicking the Close tab underneath the issue. Notice that this will now change the color of the pushpin, notifying others of the change. Another feature we can take advantage of in Autodesk BIM 360 Field is the Tasks tab. To open this, we go to the Field Process tab and then select Tasks. Selecting the Tasks tool will open the Task dialog menu. This is where we can view and add new tasks. To add a new task, we select the plus sign at the top right of the menu and then give our task a name. We can also apply a description and even choose a category. We can assign other members to our tasks and also list who is in charge. Lastly, we can then add a date to the task. Now, as we can see, the new task has been added to our task list. This concludes part 2 of the BIM 360 Field workflow tutorial. Make sure to check out our other videos and don't forget to subscribe.